To increase sales of your product or affiliate items, it's essential to develop a funnel strategy. So my companions, if you're looking to create a funnel and researching tools like ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Kartra, Kajabi, among others, there are various builders to choose from. However, the cost for these systems may seem quite hefty. For instance, checking ClickFunnels shows that their pricing begins at $81. Next, moving to Go High Level, you'll notice that its starter tier is priced at $197. Kajabi on the other hand starts at $71 per month. Now think about this. What if I introduce software that costs remarkably less and not only creates funnels but executes multiple roles? If I present it here, take a look folks. This tool is Systemi.io, an ideal option for beginners. This robust tool lets users construct websites, streamline their businesses, assemble sales funnels, design educational courses, oversee affiliate marketing, conduct email campaigns, sell tangible items, organize recurring webinars, and enjoy various built-in functions. Regarding pricing, you'll be glad to know the cost structure is quite accessible. Allow me to share friends. Systemi.io provides dynamic workspace solutions at a budget friendly cost. Whether you are launching or scaling your business, the startup package is available for only 17. Yes, everyone, at this reasonable rate, Systemi.io delivers its services seamlessly. Compared to $81, $197 or $70 is markedly cheaper. If beginning is on your agenda, Systemi.io comes highly recommended for you all. Don't hesitate to start. This platform is just select a plan and get started. Just do this. I'll provide the link in the description and you can check it out if you are interested. If you face any issues, feel free to comment and let us know. I've provided the link for Systemi.io in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more such videos, stay tuned.